So in this short tutorial, I want to show you how to look for courses at TU Wien. The easiest way to do that is to type in the address tis.tuwien.ac.at. Now you are in the intranet system of TU Wien. Switch here to English on top, and on the right you click on Education. Next, on the left, click on Courses, and now you come to the course search page. To look for English courses, you click on Extended Search. You type in the right semester. However, as an applicant, you will not find the semester you are interested in because it will be in the future. But it gives you quite a good idea about the availability of courses in your subject. Next, you click on the faculty. Let's try Architecture and Planning. And here on the bottom you have three options in the language: German, English, or if required in English. So choose English, click on Search, and now it will give you a list of courses which are carried out in English. The other option is, if required in English, click on Search, and again you get a list of courses. The difference between English only and required in English: required in English would be typically courses like exercises, where the courses with personal tuition, where the lecturer might change languages between German and English depending on the specific students. If it's only English, this would be typically lectures in an auditorium, for example, which are carried out in English only. So when you have the list of courses here now, you can already see on the title of the course what it will be about. And if you are interested in the specifics of a course, you can open it up in a new tab. The system doesn't allow you to go back on the browser buttons here, so it's the best way to open it all up in new tabs. So now when we are in the detailed view of each course, we have the properties here at the beginning. 2 semester hours, this is the amount of workload you have to consider, 2 hours per week. Credits, these are ECTS credits. And here you have the description of the course. You have the lecturer here, the hosting institute, course registration, and which curricula it is. In this case, it is spatial planning. Let's have a look at the other course here. In this case, the curricula is architecture. So each faculty, they provide several bachelor and master programs, and it's necessary to check if the course you're interested in is provided for your specific course. Here in the third course, for example, this is building science and technology. Here we had architecture, and here in this course it was spatial planning. Unfortunately, it is not possible here on the course search to type in the curricula, but you simply have to open up, if there is a course you're interested in, you simply have to open it up in detail and check if that course is available for your bachelor or master program. In some cases, you will find courses not available for your master program, but maybe they would be really interesting for you to join. In this case, you can contact the lecturer here, open him up in a new tab, And here you have the contact details of the lecturer, so please send him an email and ask maybe if you are allowed to join his course, although you belong to a different master or bachelor program.